No, well, instant respawn, quarter armor, and friendly fire on, please.
Breaker, that's why you never get the fucking buttons.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm waiting for host.
That's a problem.
You,
I think I stole it
Okay.
again then, because I did not get that.
Fuck you.
I am sorry.
but fuck you, yeah.
Yeah.
We played a lot of time with on my host and you never saw that today. But now when I want to,
Probably it depends on the people that we have in the game. I
too
don't
much
know.
of them is here.
Okay. Kill the laser.
No, I can't.
No, I killed the laser. I just said it. I
Okay,
wounded the
Kevin,
tech.
I am busy.
Well, actually, Hank, it's your job here. I'm trying to clear it up with Cheryl.
I'll go there. You guys go for the bridge.
Okay. I am with you, Silence.
Yeah, finish the assault then. Ah,
I am-
Fuck.
Give it to Sigvidius, please.
Oh no, what the fuck was this? Oh, lost in the dark. What we leave behind us is another dead heart left to rot.
Tactical is coming too.
Will we
Yeah, I
mark
saw
our
something.
presence? I fucked
Have we
up
got the
here.
bridge secured?
Oh,
Just
fuck.
capture it and don't give a fuck.
Okay.
I will capture it once more then.
I see something under the bridge.
On the bridge, okay.
Under.
Under. Well,
Everyone
Probably.
is here.
finish the assault here. Assault is wounded.
Okay.
Done.
Good job.
Okay, come quickly and get
I'm
them from
almost
the bridge.
here.
Sigvidius, stand.
Yeah. I am here just.
The sun
not-
will rise, but it's gotten closer to rise.
Tell me
We can
when
see
some of them
blood
dropped
from
Does
down.
no one is here
the
somewhere?
Yeah, he
see
went
him.
down. He went down.
Just capture it. I'm
Yes, sir.
oh, I'm 0 HP. I'm 0 HP right now.
Cheat.
Oh.
Uh, what the fuck do I see here? Nah.
Get him.
He stimulated himself
Where?
on the point.
shadows fall back behind me.
I hear things.
Where is it? It's me.
No, behind. Sigvidius, come back.
This guy is just teleporting.
X.
Definitely. But my hacks are stronger.
Don't say that on video, please. People are going to take that out of context.
Okay, home point again.
Ah, poor guys.
Bye bye.
Oh.
Cheryl on the left. With that
Are they
heavy
coming for-
burden.
They're not coming.
Yeah.
No, they
It's,
just can't actually. They are wrong at rushing us instead of taking covers, you know. Well, what do you do usually, Hank?
What the fuck?
Where is he?
I'll die at home point.
Oh, okay.
You are on
coming
their
to you
home
now.
point.
Uh-oh. Ah, it's their
It's
home
their
point.
home point. Okay, blinds are coming in 1 second. I blinded them.
I'm flanking them.
Yeah, I saw behind
And
you
I-
probably.
No, I saw it on the laser is in middle.
Fuck off. Ah,
Fuck,
nice
what the?
headshot.
Why did I reload here?
What the fuck has...
Okay, I'll try to get all of them here, but I think I'll die here with more chances. Yeah. Yeah, their laser is actually
Someone
good
is
at
under.
killing me. Well, just go on the right side of the bridge and don't let them go to the point. Don't
I got
try
one
to
of them.
capture
Where's the
it.
assault?
I don't know, I
Found
killed
it.
the laser.
Kill him. He is. Never mind.
I am nearly dead. Guys, I
I'm,
need
I'm
help
here.
here.
I'm
I'm
here.
trying my best. I'm on my way.
Blinding.
Burying me.
Well, he buried me
What
actually.
the flank? What the?
Nice headshot. Are you capping it? Did you
Yeah, I
cap it?
captured. Yeah.
My sacrifice was worth it.
What?
Just capture the points. Where are they?
I died.
I don't know.
I see.
Assault on me. Yeah, thank you for the cover.
Detectable is
Vertical
here.
is here.
Lines.
I'm going to be blinded, aren't I? Yes. Just stand on
Yes.
the point.
What
Sorry.
the
Okay,
fuck
it's
is
fine.
Yeah.
this?
He's on the left side. Not this time, buddy. It's about to
Bye.
6%.
Points are on
Yeah.
point. Ah, this is
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How
We
many
have
did
it.
they get?
Oh,
Assault coming?
where?
Nowhere.
You think so? Okay.
Could you fuck off with the grenade?
Just
mate?
come here. Nah. Nah. Nice.
Hello there.